Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make soup in home step by step. Begin by gathering broth, vegetables, protein, herbs, and a sturdy pot. Chop ingredients uniformly so they cook evenly and add dense vegetables first. Simmer gently to meld flavors, skim foam or fat as needed, and finish with fresh herbs and acid to brighten the bowl before serving warm to family or guests. In this video, I will explain how to make soup in home step by step. Start by washing and chopping vegetables into consistent pieces, then prep proteins and aromatics like onion, garlic, and celery. Heat oil, sweat aromatics until fragrant, and brown proteins for depth. Add broth, bring to a gentle simmer, and cook until vegetables are tender. Finalize seasoning and serve with a garnish of fresh herbs for a balanced bowl. In this video, I will review how to make soup in home step by step. Please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling great after grocery runs and messy soup trips. It pairs surprisingly well with winter chilly runs. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to make soup in home step by step. Keep a low simmer so starches and proteins release flavor without turning mushy. Add quick cooking ingredients like peas or herbs toward the end, and stir in dairy or butter off the heat for silkiness. Taste and correct salt or acidity, then ladle into bowls and garnish for contrast so every spoonful feels balanced and comforting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.